Pixpa versus Squarespace, usage experience. Links to both platforms are included in the description below. In this video, I'll compare Pixpa and Squarespace, two popular website building platforms, and share my insights on their features, usability, and who they are best suited for. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one fits your needs better. Pixpa is designed with creators and professionals in mind. Think photographers, artists, and designers. It focuses on delivering an easy-to-use platform with client-friendly features like proofing galleries and built-in e-commerce capabilities for selling services, digital downloads, or physical products. Its standout attribute is its affordability, offering many features tailored specifically for creatives at a budget-friendly price point. Pixpa's drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and the templates are modern, fully responsive, and customizable, allowing you to build a sleek portfolio or online store without needing coding skills. Squarespace, on the other hand, is known for its polished, professional designs and versatility. It caters to a broader audience, including small businesses, bloggers, and e-commerce brands. Squarespace's templates are some of the most visually stunning on the market and offer deeper design customization compared to Pixpa. It excels in advanced blogging tools, marketing integrations, and robust SEO features, making it ideal for content-heavy websites or those aiming for significant online visibility. Squarespace also supports more advanced e-commerce functionalities, like abandoned cart recovery, making it a better option for scaling businesses. The major distinction lies in target users and pricing. Pixpa is best for creatives looking for a simple, cost-effective way to showcase their work or sell their products, especially those who value features like proofing galleries and straightforward design tools. Squarespace, while slightly more expensive, offers better scalability, a wider range of features, and customization for those needing a high-performance website. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you're a creative professional focused on showcasing your portfolio and want an affordable, all-in-one solution, Pixpa is the way to go. But if you're running a business or need advanced features with premium design options, Squarespace is worth the investment. Explore both platforms using the links in the description to see which one suits your goals better.